To delete draft posts on Instagram. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can simply delete draft posts on Instagram. So all of you, what you need to do is simply follow these steps. First of all, what you need to do is simply get into your Play Store and make sure that your Instagram application is updated. And if it's not, just do it because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of the Instagram. Now what you need to do is simply get into your Instagram application and get into that create a post option that would be at the bottom of the screen with the plus icon. So once you tap on it, all you need to do is simply select or get onto that drafts image that is just or option that is just beside that gallery. Once you get there, you see that this is my draft post. So what I need to do is get into manage. And once I get into the manage, at the top right corner, I have this blue pen or pencil type icon, and once I'm going to tap on it, you see it says to select. Now I have selected that image. Now I can simply put tap on that tick so that it would discard the draft. So now this message or dialog box that says discard cancel. I would simply tap on discard, and once I have tapped on the discard, my post has been discarded or deleted. So this is how you delete a draft post on Instagram. I'm sure you guys liked the video and it was informative. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe on the YouTube channel of How to Digital. And if is there any question or query, just comment down below. I would love to answer that. So with this being said, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also just click on that bell icon to receive notifications about further more awesome videos like this. Till next time, peace.